In this video demonstration, we'll be going through the live level 10 meeting in EOS 1 to not only show the basic functionality of running the live meeting, but some tips and tricks to get the most out of running your meetings in EOS 1. So as we see here, everyone has joined, so we are ready to start our meeting. Want to first note that as the meeting progresses, we have a timer for each meeting segment showing the allotted time and actual time spent in that segment with a bar that populates as time elapses. Also have a timer in the top right counting down the total amount of elapsed time for the meeting itself. At the top, we have this add issue, add to do, and add headline button that will be present as you progress through the various segments of your level 10. And in the bottom, we have these emojis and EOS animals that you can click and will pop up on everyone's screen. Here in Segue, you can use the auto-picked next feature to randomly select someone to give their check-in. Moving to Scorecard, you'll see that on-track measurables are in green and those measurables that have not been met are in red. And at any point, you can add a measurable to the issues list for IDS by clicking this down IDS icon. And if you want to add any additional notes or context, you can click the edit button and do so from there. In our rock review, you'll see we have a snapshot at the top of the percentage of rocks that are on track were done and those that are off track. Again, with the click of a button, we could add any of these rocks that we want to discuss to the issues list to be addressed in IDS. In headlines, as a headline is reviewed and acknowledged, you can click mark as reviewed, and it will change to this green reviewed text. You're also able to cascade a headline to another meeting. So if it needs to be heard in another meeting, you can have that headline be cascaded just like that. In the to-do list, as to-dos are marked as done, the percentage will update at the top. And finally, in IVS, there are a few customization options you have when looking at your issues list. First, you can break the issues into 2 or 3 columns. You can also show numbering to call out the number of an issue rather than the verbatim name of the issue itself. You can show the date created just to identify issues that have been lingering on your issues list for longer. And you can sort by title, team number, or created date. To prioritize your top 3 issues, simply click the issues you would like to discuss. Once the top 3 have been selected, you will be put into this focus mode where only the top 3 issues are visible. And from here, you can mark your issues as solved, add a to-do if you need to do that to get the issue to solved, or move the issue to either another meeting or to the long-term issues list of your VTO. To do so, you can simply click Move, select the appropriate VTO version and folder, and click Move to mark it as solved on this meeting and add to the long-term issues list of your VTO. Finally, if you're coming up on time, you can click Not Solved to put an issue back into your issues list. And finally, as we move to conclude, to-dos that have been assigned will be recapped, a cascading message can be made, and everyone gives their 1 to 10 rating. This clear meeting items box will remove all completed to-dos and reviewed headlines from the next instance of the meeting. And if this box is checked, an email summary will be sent to all attendees of the meeting.